Let us now take a Vartikam. Under the Sutram 2.3.28, Apadane Panchami, which we have studied. This is the Sutram we have been using to assign the fifth case affix following a Pratipadikam which denotes the Apadanam. Of course, Apadanam is a Sanya defined by Panini in the section from 1.4.24 to 1.4.31, which also we have studied. In the Mahabhashyam, under the Sutram 2.3.28 is this Vartikam which says Lyab Lope Karmanya Adhikarane Cha, which means that when a verbal participle ending in the affix Lyap or Ktva is elided, a fifth case affix is used to denote the object or the locus of the action. Even though the Vartikam only says Lyab Lope, it also includes Ktva Lope, because as the Tattvabodhini commentary explains, Lyab Grahanam iha lavartha param tena Ktvopi Lope Siddhyati. So not only Lyap, but an affix which is used in the meaning of Lyap. Now we know very well by the Sutram 7.137, Samase Nai Purve Ktvo Lyap, that the affix Ktva, when it occurs at the end of a compound, is replaced by Lyap, provided the prior member of the compound is avyayam other than Nyai. So Lyap is a substitution in place of Ktva. So obviously Ktva and Lyap are used to convey the same meaning. Hence, even though this Vartikam only says Lyab Lope, it includes Ktva Lope. Examples here are Prasadat Prekshate, meaning Prasadam Aruhya Prekshate. Someone watches from the palace, meaning having climbed up the palace, someone watches. When the speaker chooses not to use the Lyabantam Padam Aruhya, because it is obvious, it is understood from the context, then Prasada, the palace, which is the object of the action of climbing up, that is denoted by a fifth case affix. So the Pratipadikam Prasada takes a fifth case affix when the Lyabantam Padam Aruhya is not used. So we get Prasadat Prekshate. That's in the sense of Karmani. Now in the sense of Adhikarane, the example is Asanat Prekshate, meaning Asane Upavishya Athava Sthitva Prekshate. Someone watches from his seat, meaning that having sat on his seat, someone watches. When the speaker does not explicitly mention the term Upavishya or Sthitva, then what happens is that Asana, which denotes the Adhikaranam, the locus of the action of sitting, that now takes a fifth case affix by this Vartikam. So we get the form Asanat. Notice here that Upavishya ends in Lyap, while Sthitva ends in Ktva. As you already remarked before, that even though the Vartikam says Lyab Lope, it also includes Ktva Lope. This is a quite important Vartikam, because when we see a Panchamyantam Padam like Prasadat or Asanat and we want to justify it, then if we can introduce a Lyabantam Padam or a Ktvantam Padam and then suppress it, then either the object or the locus, the Adhikaranam of that suppressed Lyabantam Padam or Ktvantam Padam, is now expressed by the fifth case affix. So please keep this technique in mind when we are searching for a proper rule to justify a fifth case affix.